Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter E. Letter E is the next letter after letter D, and it has two sounds, E, egg, and E like eagle. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, you can see the sun. We know that sun rises from east. There is an eagle sitting on a rock. In the nest, there are some eggs. East, eagle, eggs are friends of E. Do you know some other friends of E? Yes, very good. Elephant, eraser, ears, envelope are some friends of E. Children, in this lesson, we learned about an eagle. Eagle is a dangerous bird. Does an eagle have very sharp eyes? Good job! Eagle has very sharp eyes. It can see from high in the sky. Children, how many eggs can you see in the nest? Can you count them? Good job! There are 5 eggs. Let's learn to write letter E. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.